clicking on this video. So today, as you read by the title, that we are doing something creative today. If you watched my earlier video, you might know that I decluttered my table and reorganized it, revamped it, but I felt that there was something missing. I did some DIYs which are beginner friendly, and you can also do that. So while scrolling my Pinterest, I found these cute frames which are so aesthetic and looks quite good, and I thought that I can make that. So I saved it, and today we are going to make that only. So let's go and make all these beautiful frames and decorate our room. made, yeah, I made 3 frames and they were quite good, I guess. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you do, then please tell me in the comments. Also, do tell me in the comments what type of video you want from me next. I'll surely read your comment and try to do my best. Also, make sure that you subscribe my channel because I'll be posting some fun videos very soon. And that's enough of me for today. Now I'll see you guys on next Saturday. So please hit the subscribe button and bye.